Can you actually earn interest on your Bitcoin, just like a savings account at the bank? Or is that too good to be true? Let's explore how Bitcoin savings work and what you should know before trying it. So, in traditional finance, earning interest is simple. You put your money in a savings account, and the bank uses your cash to lend to others. You get a little slice of the profits, and everyone's happy, at least in theory. But with Bitcoin, things take a different turn. There's no middleman bank, but there are platforms out there that let you lend or stake your Bitcoin to earn interest. Some promise you 3%. Others even dangle 10% in front of you. Sounds awesome, right? Not so fast. Here's how these Bitcoin interest platforms work. First, there's lending. You let others borrow your Bitcoin through a platform, and in return, they pay you interest. Then there are staking or yield products. These services pool your Bitcoin together and use it in more complicated ways to try and generate returns. But, and this is a big but, these platforms are usually centralized. They're not banks, and they're definitely not protected by any government insurance. If the platform gets hacked, mismanaged, or just disappears overnight, your crypto could be gone for good. That's why I always say, only use platforms with solid reputations and never risk more than you can comfortably lose. So what risks are you actually facing here? Well, there are platform hacks, poor management, wild market swings, and a serious lack of regulation. On the flip side, the rewards can be tempting. Passive income, potentially way better returns than your boring old savings account, and your idle Bitcoin actually working for you. It all comes down to balancing risk and reward. Some people love the thrill and the potential gains. Others just want to hold their Bitcoin and sleep easy at night. So yes, you can earn interest on Bitcoin, but don't expect it to be as safe or as simple as a regular savings account. Always do your homework, stick to trustworthy platforms, and protect your crypto like your life depends on it. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into Bitcoin wallets, security, and holding strategies, check out my episode, Bitcoin Wallets Explained. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.